Welcome back. I feel like I just left it.
You did.
Yeah.
Lucky dog, you.
So if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch our last video, which I put out Friday, late Friday, early Saturday morning.
I think you should just go on YouTube and look and see when did we put it out.
Yeah, and watch it. But yeah, so last video made some big progress with the Conquest. I turned the key to the on position and all the stuff came on inside, so that's pretty cool. So today, fingers crossed, we're gonna try and crank it. Still a few things that we got to do before that happens. Last video I mentioned I didn't have the oil feed line. It came in yesterday, and what a monstrosity this is. It's only temporary because obviously my hood won't close.
I still think you should leave the hood off.
No.
Or be like, epic.
Just cut a
hole and then put googly eyes on the turbo.
But yeah, I'm gonna need like a 90 or something for the feed line. I got the adapter down there for the oil pressure gauge. And some awesome news. I lost it again. Oh. Knocky the knock sensor's back.
You named it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He looks like he's had a rough life. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but the wires are showing on the connector, so I'm gonna have to replace that. So yeah, I gotta finish up the oil line. Gotta tighten the belts, do some vacuum line stuff, and then I gotta do something with these grounds, and then return the key. Maybe. We'll see how it goes.
Let's talk more rock. Let's make it happen.
Let's do it.
So Scott is running the hose for the oil gauge away from the exhaust manifold as to not melt it and cause a nice big oil leak.
Possible fire.
And possible fire. Because that would not be cool.
Just go ahead and buy a pack of these things, because they go everywhere.
They're kind of like valve keepers.
Yeah. If you're running an SR20 radiator, a good hose, the lower radiator hose to use with it is a 94 B4000 Mazda pickup truck lower radiator hose, manual. Fits on there good. You just gotta trim a little bit off down here to move it forward so it connects with the water pump.
Well, aren't you just a fountain of knowledge?
I got that from StarQuestClub.com.
Shout out to the Quest Club.com.
So what do you think? First try, start right up?
Yeah, sure. Sounds good.
What if it did? Like, just what if it did?
It'd be a Christmas miracle.
Yeah, Christmas in July. So what Randall's fighting with right now is the alternator tensioner. There's no room and you can't see. I guess I shouldn't have put in the radiator yet. That probably would have helped, huh?
I like struggling.
I have a tattoo that says struggle to the end.
There you go.
Struggle.
Why aren't you struggling with this?
You're better under pressure.
Am I?
I don't know. Just made that up.
Under pressure.
How's it going down there?
It's going.
Any progress? I'd like to try and fire this up today.
You wanna come down here and do it?
Huh?
You wanna come down here and do it?
What?
Put this bolt on?
We're already down there.
I'll move. Gladly. Alright, your turn.
Alright, so after fighting with the alternator for about 4 days, we got it on. It hasn't really been 4 days, it just seemed like it. So, what we're gonna do, throw the battery in, see if we can
Bumpy bump.
do a little bump. Bumpty bump.
Look in my face. I heard spark. Okay.
No fires yet.
Huh?
No fires yet.
You got a fire extinguisher?
I do not.
Do I need to move the Chrysler so we can just like push it out and let it burn?
Now you're scaring me.
Safety first, children.
Nice knowing you, G54B.
Got oil in it?
Yeah, put one.
Okay. Did you pull the F5 fuse?
No. I might just unplug the injectors.
You can do that too.
All right. Unplugged.
I'm in the most dangerous spot of all. But it's in neutral? Do you need to push your clutch in? What the hell's that noise?
Depends.
Oh, well, you might want to turn those off. Turn everything off.
Fuel pump.
Okay.
Or if I'm started hooked up right. All right, good news and bad news. Randall had to leave because our time limit is up. But good news is it builds fuel pressure. Bad news is the starter won't engage. I didn't have it on camera, but I had the starter hooked up and I touched the positive terminal to the battery and it automatically started turning the starter. The engine was starting to crank over, which I guess is a good sign, but yeah, the starter turning by itself is not good. And if you can hear, I'm out of breath because I just had to push this back in. And as I was doing it, more bad news. I cracked that. So if anybody has one of these that's not brittle, let me know. But yeah, so I keep saying it, but we're so close to getting this thing started. Hopefully maybe next week we can get it started. But other than that, that's where we stand. All right, well, unfortunately couldn't get started today. Ran out of time, and I didn't have the starter hooked up correctly. But the fuel pump kicked on when I turned the key, so that's a good sign. So yeah, next time we should be starting this up. I know I keep saying that every video, but yeah, next time it's gonna fire up for a second.
So let's talk for a second.
Mm.
Just for a second.
What? What are we talking about?
Next weekend is Joby.
Oh yeah, next weekend.
So I expect someone to be there.
Yeah.
Should be a good time. Yes.
Make a road trip out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's summertime.
Come say hi to us.
Come to the beach.
Yeah. Everybody loves the beach.
We have beaches here.
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Yeah.
Dirty Myrtle.
Yeah.
New podcast is up this morning. Go check it out. Scott will put a link in the video. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. And yeah, that's about it. That's all we got. Anything else you'd like to say?
Nah. No, nothing comes to mind.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
See
We
ya.
love you.
It's true. We do.
Keep on motoring.
Hey.